endless possibilities.
Yamo akwa baziba ya ndaso ane page mizindu. Bosumunda isasi ne bosumunda otodo oye enum 5th August. Echede mo bedeni biara oyo tunfu ala ne pia. Bosumi ndaze mapi ya no bobo mazene fi wotum no wodu hujuma wotum no zabua. Mezinesi OMAR bin ABDULLAH. Ene ya baba tina se oya na poboshi. Nsampi nye ne botum na ezabro. Ebo mazene yamo oye enkwenhye sam na fi etumna aboa kasabo baba mission news na ma so nkata ne mum pesempesem ne nitirbo no so babra oyo nazamba yewia na nkomoba etumna aka no doma ya to nsafra honin oyo tumfa ne pe na hisa ka hona eba mazina fi etumna ye ho atwetwe oyo enkomo ntinde bo mazina na fo firi ne photo oyo Costa TV eko Facebook a wosabaka YouTube is bobo nazama pi dan of to be no what do you hear no share aye nzama pa of to be no Costa TV to me the brown mama dan share so there eba mazina aba na do tambo hetmanu aye dumuku aye ankwankor aye hona one announcement o kasebo anere wujumezi biara what biara to me return eba mazina fi aba aye Costa TV fia na enyiwo edzinkomo na bibiara bakọ oye jojojo anabeyishi asesa mpesafutu hia nti idi inkranhye sam izrema oye hene ho na ya bomaze na efi etum na ahye so de afibere to bere no ya bomaze na efi etum na ye gina oye hene na do oye ntokona na efi etum na aboa me bibiara yeso etum na ezimu ankasa ye nti za ende izrema wa anye de one does not cross a river without getting wet. One does not cross a river without getting wet. In prophecy, and now summon number be mind there. Obi biara yi ho a obotwenso. Abira ne ho no mfo. Wo ho, wo na ho, wo yefa, ano na payinfo abubi eso amayan there. Entu ntwenso abira ho no mfo. Nti jumezi rezini chane so de amama oye jumezi numu etuma kan za etuma ka kire dom sabi o ka kire wa woni obaja na saraka da masani etuma da kire bi asam na ka kire mpakoro so awo na o ka kire woni obaje za etuma je kire yimpare no yimpare je kire ne se bi so nko na odo kire wa ana ebaja na akwana afoda enyo nua eyene ndam no za adiri ya no sa anu na otiri ya wa nti wo yobaja na aninti na wo si one does not cross a river without getting wet nti yemo madin hye no so de zibiara yere no sanu dan na tebim na bi so ho de sa awu na wo ziri mawa ebaja na sa awu ne yimpo no kada masam na akyerew ebaja na sa awu ne biriti te wo fa hozudo o ma wo kwan na efintum nka wasam ebaja na se wodwumam na akyerew adwen na abeyin pobona won wo baje da sawo na wedwumam na akyerew adwen na bi okwetewa nti won wo baje na ene dase na mo yaho osana me yankopa krata ene da wotum wo friend wo zama na inde wontum yin yedwuma biem sentira inde wa ye meeting man kan dam school o teacher abedinta o che na adwuna wo wotum wo yinezi osisipi nti se edan oye coin no na esane dzima wala ho de sa anno ye dum mepanyin na efi origi wedi de kofi a aye tita e kire mafomaze abata na mafom ho yiwo tumeje wo ho na ere nkofi a nti sa wo na e kire ade na anno de ma bente na eri na edzinu no origi wedi a wo wo baji nti e momode hye no so de za ye de che hie yankon sa anno na origi etie wa nti beja atum nti one does not cross a river without getting wet. Ti ya mama zenefi yentum na ya shane so dam ye kwa ka sha oya he kasebo na asa za edema amanfo ayin de kasebo ne ti asofo a wo oye St. Lawrence Catholic Church abomazin ezi afisonko wo si diaconal conference the diaconal conference no afotopi ndem pinya obakansa wo kepros not ne tiri oya abra na wo do to oya heneyim dama so na oya opanyina ohwe na narcotic control commission and authority do neze chi ofimfirimantom ada fotopi nya etum na amhen ebe wo kete oya na fotisam impotihima nana eya ba awo eya abra nana abna eya ba awo abra otode ebienu oye potihima no so odafuta aman abra obo oye school fun na ba do oye ndida abram na ma so potihima nana ekuta no so odone sam etum oda asodo eyi ne pinya keke ho na nda so wayo too far ne pe ma ya baba cancer ediba bro na answer ne baba be nsem ne mu no wo be nda anyo yeba no mba be biara waso bati
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hiya ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority, ebo bibia kokose, se fuwo tank enya kwenshia, ne dania, menko ho nkwaye wadwen se, okosisa petrol anafango no. Ena finso, menye wadwen se wo ben fuwo tank enya kwenshia ne ho, agwa akodwitwa videos, ana pictures. Na petrol anafango wo hwenso, uhua ko wumu a, enye sunsun asobone, ewo wapomoden semso. Fango nso, eho ahometinti no. Enfomso akitu ebi, ebetumi ameja tom, ama na gise wom. Eba ne saa, nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuwo tanka bi enya kwanhia na dania mafangu no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
Yes, I am a baby. Yes, oh yeah, Casabona, Sequacasasu, or ya Calica, Sophia Mite, still Lawrence carry check or ya Abra. Dependa yesha sino udi or yejimizi afisronko was it what to the Diacuna conference. Diacuna conference is always the cana where you know Kepos not knitted Abra a sort of friend or ya still Lawrence carry church. Abra suffer pain or other sumina no neze chill dinner piece simpido automacasan. The automotive man kept Diacuna conference. No choro oya Latin kasa o chire dom a wo boa masofo no dwumezi otomokodo I wa asore de ma ibu ohyesa dom a wo ya hoho ana wo ya asore mba wo ba wotum ohye ho no wotum no wotrase ma asore de mhyese ne hina otum no odzemum yi wo oye kwa otonjum wo oye sore biarem ma oye kwa no ma asore no tumijija the man so na yi wo oye service wo boa sofo ne dwumezi wo oye asore no mo otum no okwayim readers can oye woman konkrono no madroma waso ne fie ni no waso tumeti won so tumeje nti dem konfiri nyina oye Reverend Father Isaac Anem Jen chede se kwoti ho na somene ye aso ne ye onkwayim yenkete za otomodo tuga
conference ya Tunisian Diaconia conference na oye conference oye agedifo Catholic agedifo eziduma growo na sum mass aforobono na sintrepenta yema na yeshia na conference o today de ohia pa de yakekan yan hu bom yeyi ye parish bibia ibinumu ewo yina no yina yeshia ebo mass service ona wo for mass aforobono ebo lectures o ya ono working kan wa so de working kan ya na samu so de no na wo ushers ona wo for better so de mo hwe de papa ya na nzama bi okodu yi wo ishia de soma ti sintre no anye de e be kan ya ho abomokoro no oto de bi enso ye de e be hye nkran wo frɛ ejuma ye no mo na mo todo e ba sane de e bo suadze afa na mo ministry ana e frɛ so kono ti honestly ena yes da mo program e o conference e baze e hwe katika so na so mene nhyehyɛ ya da mo esoma horo anan ana de nkofa wozi dwuma today ni na no ohia papa mama asaro ohia papa ma aforobo no ase okoba ne de ekoro ebiebi ni wa nzama bi boto sino baby se fande kwafu ni wa mazi botumu akodo na so obachia kakra wo baby osande enyomoto a obamama as ne fewo na ye kese no onyi ho hanti obaha wa adwen kakra evande awon obekenkan onyi wa na chede bia sofo na na odo kan na aze na bibi damo oyedama na de agedifo no wo na soma horo no yama on daisy o de PS djuma mo se ama esom na akolo okay nti iyi na odikana ya ye ewa ha Diaconia conference nti yenye bida odikana ye wa ha yenye na yewenyi som de afibiara no ebobomba sinara na ya ye na yeza akodo ahyehye ye hu nkran na aboa ye dwumedi kankan wo mass aforobo no Diaconia conference oye idin na de kakraka bi na so oye idina nencha asane mi azana kra oye Latin kasa Diaconia na se cerebral form na ministry ana service ministry ana service nti oye ye fatika se mo na beka de esom hanti yenyim de wo ma asafo ni mo no esuma hu bebre wom ne mu banan na ya fa abuma yezedumande hanti tsinsa ye friend Diaconia conference no ye de oye esom conference that one we see the sumu duma na ye kan wa abum na duma huru bi a yedi obi tondom awesome obi won mo kenkan wa so awesome obi ye mass awesome obi so osha onso awesome hani na no ye soma horo but oye ko omboa mama asene kodo nti musician kran ma awona wa baby na ra ende just a minute there. Aba no ayi ti yesu crying there afi bi ara nyame adoma ti awona wa dey anya awona e do smart
Serena, Reverend Father Isaac Anenjen, also for Pina, I was in Lawrence College Church, Abra Nezeti, Tumudutuga, Abra Costa TV, Yenetri, Oye Uncommon. Yakijina na Catholic Control Commission. Dependa isa siara, Oye Jordan na Yutun Safre, Oye DSN, Oye Deputy Superintendent of Narcotic, Oye Rabba Alice, Bakan Sawo, Oye Costa TV, Fiha, na yene bon komo chire nsem pinyan chire nasamba nkan wa ho na adwen de ndurubon nkote na wode bisi aye ho na yiwodo abra aye DS and Alice aye Deputy Superintendent of Narcotic Church nsem de endemre sukurufo adusua wo ya adusua for school wonum ndurubon dodo nti ama ho yiwo tuma be papa ode abata na hwedofo nyinara obo honetambu na obwa na sesetumba
fat yene schools no ndrubone wo yene schools no oha wadwen papa na yereka nche onya secondary schools oye yene senior high schools ne pe basic schools no nso so owo just that no because mo from any p woba wopon wokofie wokohu abata nanti no aya no ye hu ni dem but won so woka ho because won so wo wanzi bia aya wo mix nkakra ye kade abata na mpo ne we contributing factor to the mazen mamema example be to the parents and abata na wo baruko school na ato energy drink examen knowing very well the energy drink caffeine woma abofra ntonyaza ode yemane dem kwan na ma bia bata no so rota oto ne park nti anapa bia abofra na rekwa na we yi bi no za amaban na ozeko abaze ne yerekire eban na ono so onya ne dem na orekwa odru beebi a we hu den ne yankofo woto bibi woto tofe bi wozeto drink mu wonom nti awo bata no awo na ato energy drink na amana no ono we hu wona woto na wototofe bi wozeto energy drink mu wonom no so bokwa kotobi ozatum owo ho ye fa ye do ono tunche na wonezizi mumpo no ye hu but ye na how kesana nkasa no secondary schools na ye ni tertiary no eho no ya asem no because ye nyim de mofama no wo boarding school chede wo bia ya wa camp won wo ho tede ma eken no wo one head teachers wo ho one senior house masters na mistresses wo ho and so still mofama no say ye bonom ne ye bisa de into where then the winya mozi kan ebinum wo ho a worekwa wona was fifie wozeko abakwa no wo fado ye nyim de wodru school a aye wo hwo woni nyamem enti no mo obeyenye de se wi na nyipa no onoma oso ho se wo hu de wi ne na ma pass wo mazemezekwa wo bohu za no no ma memfa wi oil na da me wi oil no obeye de na oza akọ school enyim abu ethehe apart from amia me wo medwuma ye me hu de oh wi oil no de no ote na in fact wi oil osi ha naze other oil ozisi wa ensha da hu difference nti amide no mamezebo hwan de me test kit o ha ma fa kakra me za asom me hu de ne ye bebisa de ana house masters na house mistresses wo de me test kits na wonye bi into obeyazon now kwana wo fa do obi beka de wa outsmart one chechrefo na one kenzefo nye de oil no offer ne shito a ne we hwe egu enwa ni granite paste na we hwe because yen nyina yenyim de granite paste nkate a wa anyam no aya angwa obenwa intiti che bia enyi ho ogbonhu a na adwo ne be ne de oh edruboni mpo na nyipa no we hwe we egu enwa oho onye shito was a fra was a ko ebinum so mpo won package na wa ye no cho boxes na aso no na was a ho na was a ko ono ye nyipa nara no kwana ofada oziko school na we kodru school ewie no oye den na nsaka In fact, yenye moframa na ezinkita ho ebinum po wo wiea abata no through this education ayeye no abata ne bi was moframa no was one ba for counseling. Ye tete wonenum ye ko schools ni bi ye kaye nkyerɛkyerɛ a yenye binum kasa na nkita ho za yenye wona ezi nyina no kyerɛ yen de. Yemfa nkrofo bi today ye school security. Security sa enche wa for one what you want to call the betna gate ama abofra no so pray abra housemaster teacher head teacher when hunu no awo a protect from going no what you from me sometimes what you want seminar ibi wo ha what you want washing powder ibi wo ha what you want biscuits what you want provisions ni bi no we gbe gate ama won koto na bra wonyimpa aza abofra no orko wa koto wajeniska na wa ama na kwan ibiem sa wa ama na kwan mo wa nkwa wonankasa wajiska wo school mo frama no ho na woto was ba school ni mu na wa distribute was ama mo frama no ibisu wo ha security no oma obi abofra no oye calls oma obi ozibeja security na security wa age meka ye ne bebi eye no okan de madam ya ne no yerukọ bush ho nara na security no kan ye no ho ne yenom into ono oto wo krom na ozeba obodura ye tua ne kaw na wasa no wa kire ye bebi a ye nhye o guide yen o guard o ye bodyguard mamoframan omo won kwan the one ye den wo smoke wo wia we ja won kwan mo akọ na nche security wa afa de hwemba do aya me bisa mo ho de into ono onyiba onyi busueni bi a ono nso so obopoe other school a ono nso obi ze ne be fam dem a aya nyipa ye ndwe ne dem.
Damin seri na Raba 2IC as the Narcotic Control Commission Finland Automatica. Akona yim chensem de Daminti wonye oye womesia kwancha for pay no de Finland ma no yen payfo asingwa adwetwe nkomo achensem de ekone biara de no awda mo hono kwan mo february to berin o school sa ahoro na o kama nkasa kire ibobwa mesese tumaba.
Narcotics Control Commission Central Regional Command Sisia no maya yenye de yene secondary schools in Titsrum. Yenye Director of Education yenye naka. Ema wama yen krata o ma yen kwane de yene schools ni yenko bodewu ho. Na numu no nso omda onchari bia yenye counselors awo region nimu. Yenye wono nso ye workshop kakra yezma won ye cheche won de menyame nyina na yezatu wonenyim. In fact, ye but no ye selected schools and other nyampo ni ye select ye letters no kwa schools ni bi wajitum. And some of the schools, you know, in fact, for some time now, we've been part of their orientation programs. Moframan wo bafofo na yaneze de wa bafofo no obi wo ha sabio owo basic school no owo hunyimzi kakra but onyim ni pi till the obaba do secondary school a we be initiate ni ye. Inti yazen shisha bi to ho de yase catch them young them catch them young no ye ne botai nyina nye de nipa no wa ba foforo na no school no maye no kwan na ye nyi won be ye nkyerɛkyerɛ ye nkyerɛ de ma kwan huru nyina because mereka say ye wo obi wo ho a ne first day a wa ba school nara no was a almost night abaze moframa no oya aguzize but ebo hu nyipa bonefo wo menti no ebinu kra to me ye mixture bi mpa na we wom wo system o ye mezi biza ekezara ebenya ho nsunsando enti ye church won menzo obi nezban wo shito sa frefie and ye de menkyerɛkyerɛ ni nyina ye zema won wa abro wa ba school foforo a ebi wo ho mpa na won seniors won be ebi so wo ho a wonya anye so acquainted to mo kodo wo school no ne ye zama won mebe ya se bibi dem oreba wo botum na woze won ho esie another wo benya adwene bi de azi waka ho asama akyen intimenye of course enya woni nyina but yene se yenya woni nyina mpo kakra ye benya wo beta ase no wo beta ase yezo no to a yenyim de adwumayefo nyina wo chapel monko chapel no oko mosque inti azakro nso ya sane yeza ato ye no ho de okay denti na yenya nkyerɛkyerɛ nso ma nsɔre yenye bi nso wo communities ni mu mosque na aze no yenko ni yenye won Kenya nkitahozi because wa join ne there am register ma abo bi ni ba mo asai wo refi da wo so wo ba or baby make there yenya suspect bi na yere kan yere bon komo normal on a normal yere bon komo I say in fact the mazi ya me ye nti na me mpede me ba boko boarding school ono no na asem nyino meanwhile no ne supplier oye no ibi ko boarding schools no nti onyim za orient o say ono nti na o man ba onko boarding school de bia o monitor na we refi da wo ba no oroko school a offer car wan fa car mpo be fa pragia it is a aton amo obi a all ride pragia aton exam obi o kaka no ma ubanda kodakro nye no me pe no ye nsunsuando awumpo na enum bi nsunsuando no oba ibi otum oyeden okam inti no yeko yebodam dewu no yezema wan na yema bebi odru bebi oyezena yetwe achechefo mpanyimfo ni bi wana adwene ginado de Jack azoro kodo wo school nyi nti yesrewa bomozna na for nancy form so there a changes are ye security na ebe a changes are ye pochowa ye na ye wu changes na mframa no so wonye free kakra or woman schools ni bi wo ye kacha won was one nancy form okay no ne ye makwan ye nankasa ye be pay ye cobless aw ye be mo one time was be ba wo ban so baby wo betenenyi na wa ye was amon me feel there ye nyi wonzi dem nkomo e binum wo ha ye nyi wonzi dem nkomo ya ampan so otu hu anamon.
Tuansi of Narcotic Control Commission opiniona of Firmantum kunayim chiresem de wale se pi abra what the crata kama on your woman check on chef opinion of Firmantum no obo mazi na fi otum akọ schools ahoro no akama hu no entity na fi otum na abua mo anu motu hunu bibiara etum na ewie pe krampo clubs ahoro no obo mazi na fi otum na wa ye na abua mo anu motu biara etum na akọ ama clubs no ha otum no oguru no we screen oye empanyifun another maframa no wo hu za wotum ya ade nsesa botum ba
nti sisiara no maya yenye de another day ye be hwede aza orukodi ye be brenas no one initiative an Narcotics Control Commission ye pede ye to ho has to do with the drug awareness club or schools no ye hwe ye schools na aya na ye wo clubs wo ho amoframa no wotum was won ho shim now there's one kwahye ye fa example today ye cadet o school yi ye yim dem moframa no was one ho kwahye cadet ma there are do's and don'ts be as a member of the cadet squad and no only there eye enti the me azibi ni ye pede yezo to ho there say ye form a drug awareness club na ye re bibi a obama moframa ni pi wenya interest wom. Now once you are a member you become a member of the drug awareness club no nyeme bi wo ho emfa wo hu emfa nhyem from imbril to braille no so no ye be ye dem screening no yezamo one ye be ye test no to ensure that members of the club no they are drug free. It's another way mpona ye rehwe there ye nyemo from an bekasa ye for resource persons ye nyemo na bekasa we picking one role models from the me church na yezbe mo one azem ye wenyu sum there at least nipa na ntwa de obowie school neze na we nya buta bi esi na nyodo we hu de sisi ade I am drug free enti no nyaza melsa mezmo ho meze akahye mbiem ye ye onu free ho nso ye se abatan o me de there about the PA meetings and PTA meetings no hu hia de order to nsa e de free. In fact, abatan ye wo asuzi kese o wom de ye nhwehwemu a kire ye ne de moframa would say one PS more than any other body. Ye rehwemu ye pa na security services no we are at the latter part. Do we be say no it has to do with one PS then one a church ye hwe ye ne ba wo cage na azana obefie no as homework ba na ye wadwende ereboa no mo ya etumi fa wo method a owo wutrim no ye wadwende ereboa no madam say ye nya ne dem madam oye ne dey Inti ye hu de ye yi woni PS firi ho a wote akyerɛkyerɛfo nso paa inti ma ye pede ye nda akyerɛkyerɛfo na nso mpo no nkyɛ wo be makwan school bia headmasters headmistresses no inti wonye wo makwan wonboe won kwan wonye teacher for seminar bia ote dem no won to nsa won fan frɛ ye ne because I want schedules na yenyim. Sometimes there's a letter boko obekado this year no one academic calendar no day not into obeyism. It's yet 2 months. Then when I want show one program, mbra OMAR me feel the academic tricks here mo from was a shito was a we oil was a good one doing na yebo to ya church one onye even in drubia wa about mo from no wokita one say ma ot the pen se teacher Richard mpo na woro no but teacher yin nhu there oye indrubon na woronom no nche da mazi nyina yebotum ya akyerɛkyerɛfo house masters na house mistresses no so oboboa ye onu free ho abatan in general eyi na meka de nsɔre no mgbe wona kwan won famayen abatan no wogu mosque wogu chapel dem inti senche yerinya de mekwan mpo ya ba na yenye abatan no nso abekasa sabisa wo ba ozono wo hyendubonim no reya kwan be na be fado ebohu pinyim ye na parent bi se ne ba no first no nzi ni de minyi no ye fi pa ba na nsen oboko store a obeba na ote de ne ba ni de mi no obon air refreshener it means there ne ba no wa asha so de reye den orizi no hunyi enso no nye dem na ote motin da afra no wa asha so de oreye ndrubon oye woni dem because ne maame nyimde ompoi iti oye na owie a ne maame reba ofi adwuma reba ofi market reba no the air freshener no we spray ne dem nyina iti batan no na adwuna yin de siseraze abofra no wa ahase orizi no hunyi first na ncho retwam wone da na ote de hobon sisi ote de ho yihwem mema abofra no mfa bibi onye smarter than you inti sanche wore man kwane yanya abata na kasa ya chereche wonda menyame nyina I think there oye another means another way ye be fada ndrubone no ye be free ye be brain ase sabata no hu ndema quick response ye catch them young ono so oho ye yi onu free ho nso a media nso wo major role will play when it comes to kwana yebe fada yere hwede nche by the end of 2026 no yentu minta asimpo a na okono yakobu mi yehu de eba ye ne finfin mantel hu ha na ndrubone no wa befom
Domin semi na oye officer of the Narcotic Control Commission opinion pa oye neze chi tumudutuga yekwe ne yimza iko kichira wo oye mputi hima owa abra eneda wudi dwumedi sonko bo oye school fu bidum hona bado oye Abraham Medical School B, St. Mary's Anglican School, St. Lawrence Catholic Basic School ni hinara wotum aboma from epi hona bado no ya chechirafum abemputi hima nana abna eyimbra the second oye ko sati wuchunkomon ochensem de ayebesi a awoda etumine jawona do eto wara ho tefre beyimba you challenge yourself na efi abomazi na ejina ntokonem awoda ejibedwera ade hyewadwum na abomazi na efi etumaye nti otuma fomafo so nara ode oye na abrabo so ode mahun afutu.
We are very happy that you came here, and I'm also happy that I'm here. I met most of you when I came here in December, and I remembered what I talked to you about. I talked about determination, looking ahead, and then doing your best to be who you are meant to be. And today I want to continue the same thing. When I got to Finland, I struggled like everyone else, but I was determined not to remain to do menial jobs like everyone else. Like I told you, I don't know if you remember my story. I challenged myself that I'm not going to be a cleaner. Of course, everyone that comes to Europe, I always say the truth. They start as cleaners. They'll go and stand in front of cars to look like they are rich. We all start from very low. It doesn't matter how educated you are. I was once a cleaner for 1 year in Finland, and I didn't want to stay on that bottom. So after that, I started searching for a new job. I became a teacher. And I don't know if you remember my story, I kept growing every year to becoming a director. And I was the first, don't clap, just listen. I was the first black person to be a head teacher in several schools, and then a manager as well, and a director, and then the first African to break the barrier of awarding prestigious people in Finland. Don't clap. It is by the grace of God, I've been the only African that has invited prominent people to Europe. I did all this out of determination. Sometimes people tell me that I'm lucky. There is nothing called luck. You work for it. There is all those people that talk about, oh, I started as a pauper and then in 2 years I became rich. No, it doesn't work like that. You work for it. My first certificate, can you listen? One of my certificates, okay? I'm a teacher. Now, I got certificates from Ghana before I went to Finland. I used to be a volunteer for PPAG, Planned Parenthood Association of Ghana. And I've gone to several leadership programs. I had about 8 certificates, and I carried it with me to Finland. So when I was searching for my professional job, I added those certificates, and those made me outstanding. Because when they saw that I have training in leadership, I have training in counseling, I have training in all those things, it was an extra asset, extra training. So don't undermine any certificate that you get. You never know where it will benefit you. These are prominent people. My husband is one of the most and few prominent kings in Nigeria. To have a certificate like this, you should count yourself lucky. And in future, when you're looking for a job somewhere, add it to your certificate that you once got this from the Queen Mothers. And it's a big plus for you. Add it, okay? Keep it safe. Take photo of it, scan it, and keep it in your email. Certificates from Ghana supported my career path in Finland. It wasn't certificate in Finland. It was from Ghana. Never look down on your own roots. We look down on our education. We look down on our country. But please, my journey started with my foundation from Ghana, not from Europe. Thank you very much.
Nana abne imba otude bien putihima kanutazi anatrasenum oya abrahimba nana ekua okuta otude basa sutu mafomrofo do mbuku ahwa wotumodo amhonum onkoni yei wonhwe ni yei na ombo hono wofanka oya wona wofo mbuku ahwa boto amhonum am next time wo ko oya school a wotumodo akahu tunese bo chirense mede certificate abozin kata no hia papa into wohwe ni Yesu
Trawon do book no wazama hono wankada faka ya singing notebook wankada I don't know cultural West life because yen na ya ko school ni bida e wona ebe hu de bia for book no cho West life no cho story cheche inchende on cho into book na wazama hono hweni ye faka u booksa o maame obotak amount the focus school nyambo next year no ana next term no faka ho the man a certificate so si se okitawi se insu guda obese into foko we be wo printers e wakade one for rubber ni bi nsha won ma amansu guda on say impunto hima odwono wono ho inte na okwai ebi anka wakade mufu play na mobile inte maramba na emom wa dwunemba frama wa dwunu kro ho ososo susam paraze nanso onyimde wozika wane items a wane acheche fozama won ma wobotoza ko school next time obotum we yin zamani bi efiro nti masra wonde se woko wanka tampada wanka na nanom amana nanom so wenye bi na waza abobo won na nyina no ye na azisia wa akodo na yenyin na yaye mpenyin pa medase
himba awabra okane samwe inu ayemputi hima ofi oyafila na mananze ba arabere dwumati bi ozibiara no wakafo sutumuka ho na no wakafo ye oye ohene kasa awo Nigeria into odedem pempenso a awode Nigeria funara no obomaze no church oye ohene zibio ana afie otu mafomnofo inte ye bagana Nigeria kuwa owo amane Ghana wɔn mpanyinfo ne hinaa no ekuo no banedzin ne zekyir gina sempedo ɔde ayamba bia metrodo no otu mmoframanofo ɔse great Ghana school kyerɛ Ghana school fo ugyina hono na papa yinkitse za no so tumokan.
Great Ghana students, are you not great? You are great, that's why you are here. So when I say great Ghana students, you say great. Thank you. Please put your hands together for yourself. Okay, so about the second image, thank you very much, Mr. Omar. God bless you, Your Royal Majesties. Our Royal Majesty Cecilia is the wife of our paramount king, the ruler of Owu Kingdom, the Olowu of Owu, and is like a prime minister in Owu, and Owu is in Ogun State of Nigeria. You know, in Nigeria we have 36 states, so her husband happens to be one of the toppest paramount rulers in Ogun State. Please, let's put our hands together for His Royal Majesty. So, our Queen Mother, from right, left by marriage, she's from the royal family. So, and that's the image you'll be seeing on the certificate. It represents royalty, representing our husband's family, where we came from. And we are representing His Royal Majesty Oba Ayokomi Saka Adelola Masemilola. Please, let's put our hands together for His Royal Majesty. So even though His Royal Majesty is not here, but as custom demands in our own culture, please let the Yoruba people, the Nigerians that are here, please rise. Yes, engineer, please. So it is our belief that wherever the Queen Mother is, His Royal Majesty is also there. And here we are representing him. So we have to greet him in the royal way as we say, Kábíyèsí o.
Kábíyèsí za anane ya bo oya omega biem. Reverend Father Isaac Anajem, Joseph Ponson kwa no so batad me dinichi. Bomazen 2 mofomefo chere se me de. Womeso ya zo hia papa ntansa na wabrabo botum ne tukafo akwanyim no. Awode bomazen mo womosia otum no ayewa kwochem. Bra osofo payin den same tugwan chere de wenya oye kwesibo yesu lucky ana huti ayenkukwa de ahunu wenya ohimba ojin oye womeso.
Today, education is very important. You can't really go higher when you don't do well in your education. And so, as the world is moving in that technological space, we are all supposed to get abreast with technology, with education, how it is going today. We are so lucky that we have a Queen Mother whose heart is so close to us, and who is very well vexed in education, and who always wants us to do well in education. And so she's doing her best to support basic school education. We are so grateful. And very special way, I would like to encourage all of you gathered here, especially teachers and students. The road towards education is not one person's job. It is a collective duty. And so everybody does his or her part so that this big vision will be achieved. And that is the main reason why There are teachers who are helping us with our education. There are youth students who are supposed to listen and study. And there are guardians, supporters, who are also helping us, push us, so that our vision in life, in our educational pursuit, will come to pass. If all these agents of education are able to do their best, it comes back to us students that will not fail them. Like Her Royal Highness is doing, supporting our education in this way and doing the donation today, I am sure that it behoves on all of us to take our education very seriously. If you see where she is now and probably where she has gotten to in education level, you can look at her as an example, a big example to you, and that you will also follow her footsteps. And so my simple message to you is that know where you are going and work hard to get there. If you really want to achieve anything great, you should have that vision of wherever you want to go. If you want to be a teacher tomorrow, you want to be a doctor, or any other work you want to do, or profession, you should decide and plan that I want to get to this stage. And you have to work hard towards that. If you study, you get there. If you fail to study, you can't move to that level. And so let us continue to work hard. Even if many people are supporting us, we have to do much ourselves. And above it all, if you are a Christian or a Muslim, you know God cannot be taken out of the equation. We need God's grace, God's help, Allah's grace and help in this, our educational pursuit. And so I pray that the Lord himself will continue to support you, will continue to grant you wisdom, understanding in your education, and especially as teachers are imparting on you, it will come to pass that tomorrow, where you want to be, you will get there. I want to thank Her Royal Highness and her entourage for their good initiative to support our education. We pray that what they are helping us with will not be in vain, that tomorrow the fruit of what they are doing today will be in. God bless you.
Sure. Aha. Neze oya anapanu soni kasebo na number baby here EGBC. Ni yiwe fini fia. Sana nka tempesem baba. The marathon oya nkomobo baba. Na ansa ni hina baba no. Mpemfesi asaw hia. Nti ama oya aboakato. Osi anana asaw na nda asin hiara. Odiniti na otumodoma. Nti yanko na yembra.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho agwa akodwitwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomoden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Yes, I'm going to the Eden Cabonity Rush of Crono. Think I tell him person is a barber chassis. It's in the mere sister for Delphina. Would if you again, or if you were the Penuco. My bad knows there. If you run, I'll copy. Tell me, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Omar.
Apollo.
Yamanado Monse.
Not a piano for Kuama.
Daddy.
Are
I say, Mikasa me pick quarter, me elite.
sir?
Tinyame one year surgeons where no copy BBAD.
Internal bear heavy, not light.
Being fufu beer.
The more sister not so. Right, it's a Baba Sayan cat and person, now say, nephew to me, I could name. Yes, I said, I quack as if you are crata, watching a daily graphic. Daily graphic in a number, some P in general, or crata, now so it is a crack, nephew, or ya dom etumina atsi, na eta, now so akotoya crata and be. Young man pay George Romani Mahama, or ye Jamaicans. Ayaba ne jefo aba mazen atwetwe nkomo kon pa bobwa magana hele gwezi na oye Jamaica man hele gwezi etum na afa oye ne tampe efra katene na so na maframa ahesia eduno 620,000 maframa na weche sem de ode oye senior high school obo mazen efi wotum na wofam insi the new CSSPS guidelines no etum na about 620,000 maframa ano so chabe Ghana fa na hinaro ana da fi mantom hazin gutio na cha woda botuka ta ne yinisi oye the whole Ghana nti opayina oye konje opayina odawo mesiano oye honorable Haruna Idrisu oye ne payfo na woda democrat ai etum na ababa na woda mesemi etum na abano Bank of Ghana directs banks to scale down NPLs to 10%. And scale down, then 1% of the age, now what terms that I see. The Bank of Ghana is autumn was about to go. Stanbic Bank first to offer direct Chinese young selectment and no so Chinese food who get to Huja into a better one sit down here with the Mankaboy to Mina Abba into Kotakrata no a Kotakrata one sabutumna aka Oyedamisamina.
Okay, and further Discover newspaper and so Save Ghana Now Democracy Under Attack demo. NPP's Democracy Under Attack demonstration set for tomorrow. Dom Kuma Marche Bedrim. Yes, that is a new patriotic party. Ajom omujidi say Ghana ye kebima minkebi amanyono adia enkoye omujidi say aban no etieti a wonfa ahudie so eba no wuntumi issue ene ma me segina tamaklo ne court nsensem omujidi say enyema bi entwa yenti ne sa no nyamebo a echina omude demonstration bi ebe hihye so. Okay, Bank of Ghana Gold Board records 1.7 billion loss on gold operations in 2025 IMF report. IMF ede abetuja say Gold Board afi 2025 omo boka pana omo boka 1.7 billion loss ewo omo gold jumedia omo dinu emu. Prioritize Accra Kumasi Road now minority. Na Kumasi Accra Road no sisi anu Ghana hano abe death trap. Me say na say na accidents bi esi fuel tanker explosion bi any STC bus bi ekohie mu nipa bebre na ehwe won kwa na me say kakra bi nso na omunya omuti edididi mu. Mr. Omar, this Accra Kumasi kwan, what do you think is the issue?
Unless the rotum why you medri here it okay the last but two me achiraba fiba na yeben ijira fa kwa ko 2 hours me da ha ga ahe yon kwamba nti da me pere kisu fufu mpedi mputumi kisu fufu nti chisa kwan zo wa ye ewie ansa na yon ho atuma to because Accra is nta achira 2.5 hours already to Accra without any hindrance there but sisi me kwanu maye me fina maye msisi papa pompoyi yere kwa abato afi because is afi okwewi yese oye 2027 asa onche be 2028 aba so wontumo nwie in between this year and next year 2028 yekwa akoto aba nti bua na bibia is in a rush nti se ya hwe ne yi na yeto aba na mensedam sese bi eba sese amba fine sese bi beza and so it will create a lot of it because hina yibo eyi kam no wo hwedwumedi so ba sha so uniba abia abanda da no ho no nti wona uniba o ko speed pa but eto abene wi no edwuma no bebia ihu a wetum no weje but ihu na uniba asa na chi o ko slow pace nkakanka but still now they are doing it and government nesi say wetum na we ye wo contract ihu ane one fa contractor me impakon nti several contractors no wetum na we but ni na nature that here and a good road nti say one year we encotin that Accra no ko madam mo kwampa me because abecha na efie tum na omboa ogozi
me ankasa Kumasi kwan no memfa so that but from enyema metete no timu say ekwan no so enye na dan na ade a akwanhia eta esisisisi ewo so panti ebese say aban no ebedi ho djuma amayense ne eye ka akwanhia a ekoso ewo eye Kumasi Accra road no esubetwa na enye Kumasi Accra road nkwan so ye other roads a ewo Ghana hanon so rule of law must apply equally to poor and powerful. Baumia flag bearer for the new patriotic party Ora Baumia edia besuja say adia rule of law no maye mane nye say we sikenia ubetimi etuetua sika unya asema ubetimi etuetua sika ewo ase na wode enya wo fa ahudie na okoye hieni nso wa bibi kapa eni nsema na unya asema eno de emrano enu ubedi niye ensese ye Ghana ye amanyosem ye rule of law no nso enwo se ekoni se enti we ni nsem bia ewo the Discover newspaper enne anope
If we echo the Herald Krata and so the Ababede Grass, Stephen Amoa betted 1.44 million Ghana cedis on Maslow forensic audit. So, Chempe, if you also want to non question papa, or oil Maslow and some I got to say, I wrote to me with Jan Autumn on them home. Year of root, Apostle demand Mama spends $300 million Accra Kumasi highway first. It's a man paying there. Si kabuta wadato in Kran. Other koye is antimantum kwano dono. Omba na mama ncheche mkaka nefo ontum na ombo na onkwe enyim. Medical Trust Fund get 1 million from Bust Energies. It's a medical trust fund man pay the bobazi no uguda otum na woje jisika woje jembwa efi oye nnazimba ho ama ho bibiara so etum na akwanyim. Let's unite certificates without competency. Nti yamama zene fi yema heyimizi na hejumezi ontum ko kane papa sen oye abodin kata ho otumodi yemizi no ko papa boboa bibiara so etum na akodo nti opeyin Sam Jonah no the Democrat nsemi etum na aba abotugwa dama so mpey fe chema plan maintenance cheda wo baba insuna ibuna de bia Russia was so no tumament it was 3 days the 3 days no wan fa aye mbabe mi pinyina mbakata ni koto krata no so do ho Ghana ye boko nsuhia o maintenance for 3 days that shows there oda ebo mazina fi yitum na yehwe kona ye fara yitum ye use hinsuni insuna na galafo ajefa masisi wakafa ka wajefa mbo waje almost 90% of the world nti ya wotum waka no anana auto no other how automatically ya mamazin na fi yentum na yensane so na use so na use so ne send oko rush hour Dolphina.
Okay, again for a year, the Ghanaian publisher and Twaso, no 200 million missing at Gold Board. CEO sets record straight. A year CEO Edema, a year Gold Board. Sami Jenfi Edia Suja say, a year in Sema Koso in Sema in Yaman Kofaki can say a Gold Board of Maboka, a year 200 million. Into 200 million Sikabi Ayra ho, a idea or Kase, Sans and Mininano and Yano Cre. Okay. Accra Kumasi Road minority demands urgent action. Okay, and also Kumasi Accra Road no accidents in Yamanema Ekoso Ewo Honum no. Public office bribery rises in 2025 Ghana statistics. Wow. Yes, service. Also the abetu just say a fear 2025 Ghana bribery and corruption ekoso pa adeana in try moving forward no it was say o minor share na enema sa no NCCBM. Okay, economy strains after IMF exit. Dr. Gideon Boako, okay, when you see Nsembia, Dr. Gideon Boako and so de Atuja. Okay, nti when Nsembia so the Ghanaian publisher.
Yeah, daily guide Cartanum, and there was a bribery saga at public offices over 1K Ghana cedis payment hit 1.1%. Abraham na wotumu yo nhwehwem fa oya Ghana ene samsam hon oya GNSS fo nti ya mama zena fi nkota krata no na entum na ye nhwehwe za wotum na oda ababedugwa na etum na akwem nti daily guide krata no bo mazena ko tobi na no mun samsam na obobwa me etum na akwanyim. Ministries DTI to build industry ready for oil workforce. Nti no so krata no na oho ekoto krata na da mesami ya oho ma onua panyin George Opare Ado no the mensemi etum na atugwa nti emomode nkoto krata no 4 arrested for 94,530 gold rob nti robbery and no so to obuduga the finish in kada together na so wo sisike biara nyewe emere na nkabia na obache dynamite no some no so eku nnazimba oya annen wo oya aboso and pay na nsam no mu yeze papa obi a ode dem dynamite otumodu tu oya fom eguzi nkara o shasi odi oya ketipele no odutu nkakanka nde sisi awala opentemti odi dynamite sheshe fom na wa blasting na abentie na mama da ben sam yetu isi ya wala ofo na Kofi bullet so akọ oya bia ne nduru nugu na okọ na aboten kase bi do na Kofi bullet fa bia ka aboten na nkwa papa ko nti zamo so a oya odi good no nsam to me odi bi ko to bi na fide is abo nsam nti mo gbo ni tur Kofi bullet ka fa ituri ajusu no tirije ogbom paw oni woku oya nazamba wantu etu no mo ambo oya dombiara ne mum da me dynamite na aboten guru no ogbo eturu gu aboten no de no anu akafa da ma yo hosami hiara etum na aba nti kokoto oya the daily guide kata no unsa botuma ka nsam no ba mi hiara delphine.
Okay, Mr. Mananka may ask if here women in leadership now and pay assembly or here me the pan me the no be ever last. Okay, so Auditor General Dr. Pamela Graham strengthens ties with Parliament to advance accountability. Okay, Dr. Pamela Graham ono ena oye Auditor General edema Ghana na nkita hudie biso akoso a ebe ensure say Parliament ene omo dwumedi omudi no niam be koyie pepepe. Okay, persons with disability advocates push for stronger inclusion at parliamentary stakeholders workshop. Inipa Mr. Omar mekanise inipa omedi dem ana yes there most of the times no inema bebre no yeyi won mu free mu na conference bi akoso parliamentary stakeholders workshop bi akoso na ne botae ne se ade a omo pese ye nkrofo ya omedi dem bibie mu no yebemo omo ateki a part of it senior omo nso they feel good in themselves. Okay, Gold Ball Jewelry Eyes UK showroom as High Commission bags made in Ghana gold products. Okay, Mr. Gold Board omo de nyama bi ebetutu akwemu a ebe ma Ghana ye jewelries, gold jewelries ya ye be display ewo showroom bi ewo UK. Didi say some yen sanso ade a ebe boa yen papa. Okay, me final one ya make say many Japan say me win. Okay, research suggests women are less likely to engage in bribery than men in Ghana. Men are always the problem.
Oh, to talk about Parker, look at the way ya. And the way ya, and the way you get out,
men are always the problem.
Watch another.
In Shishimubi, actually say, idea. Corruption, bribery, membersu. We feel more. Ye.
I never say what would you work getting here with me.
We feel more. Ye. In your master, so no, and yet it's your best threat. Na, Berman, yes. Mamu engaging in too much bribery and corruption. Okay, into way soon in Zambia, women and leadership.
Yeko daily analysis on so krata no the other the god the make some yaran nketo hozi kona ba for wetum no wezugwa ni nara odakata na nti bomoda kwata krata no the maso na masada hanatete etuma chensem de oye different thinking odo tuma ba wa bira yin amanfofodo etum na yin hozi oye nketa hom onia apariado no nsam na no so o krata na the obo mazene fi wetum abo am mebunu pinyen etumne ejina ayahono na do Damaso na Ghana some choku batan was why I say for Babwa, Mahudimezi Bia Wotumurizi, or your professional excellence no etumina a wear pay nti udukune tumiswa obeye oyen etumina afam. Ghanaians seeking United Arab Emirates or your jobs must maintain police clearance. Obtain police clearance certificate. Nti alcohol or your akaka yeduma ho or your UAE nti osi bamazana ka police clearance there umpe wa nkre yu obi biara na ni hina kan sa wotum na wote umesu humanum nti omamazana one shan so Dalfina.
Okay, yeah, it was not yet share the new proceeding guide. Bring IMF deal to Parliament for scrutiny upon Nkrumah demands. Okay, when so near Zambia, a year upon Nkrumah, former communications minister, or the Tuja. Okay, CA Foundation donates 400,000 medical equipment to tackle no-bed syndrome in Koforidua hospitals. Most of the times, no, hospitals, no, or better say, say bed in Niho. Say niho eba sana ema nkrofo bebre na ehwe won kwa nti ne sa na foundation bi so adonate 400,000 medical equipment ene empa yes ede ama Koforidua hospital senia sa issue we no ebe tackle no. Okay, DTI tackles skills gap partnership to equip youth with practical industry demands competencies. DTI omonso ye dwumekuo bi omo afa ato omo ho say ade a omo be organize skills training programs de ama youth na saying no skills training programs be koso wo Ghana na skills training programs ade a meeting aka say boa Ghana ye youth no pa cause enye de bia na ubesua book mu niema wo say unya wonsa anu ejuma enso na ne sa no say CNC yes currently they are running a skills training program and to tackle issues via youth no yes your development okay. Court declines conviction of JJ Resources directors. Okay, we so ni nsembia ekoso ewo resource directors honum memfa WCC invites Ghana police band to Northern Hill Boston Carnivals in celebration of culture and unity. Okay, we so ni nsembia ewo the new crusading guide.
Yoko the investor ayakata no soza ababudegwa pi oho in Canada ntini na 10% musamsama wotum na we yefi urge mezurudo in Canada akatira oyedom ma yako oye na yim the maso RTP no so which sem na obo mazele fotum release oye ndam NLA dash oye KGL report no mo mazuna fambra na uhuza otumarokoro ama yesama wotum yo Ghana hanu aba mazele fi tum na fune tempe from MPA to absorb 2% per liter of diesel flowing presidential directives. Nti no so etumna aba the cocoa board was a horror form no but strengthen na if Ghana cocoa no value change no etumna afane tempe from abe kwafo wotumna wodsun hunu wo oye ensambi.
Okay, again for the news center and Twaso. Public officials demand bribes from 7 in 10 people. Senya yedi kai no. Keta Mr. Ma. I say yes. Bribery out of nipa 10 so come most of your public offices na officers ye omuye ejuma wo ho no ebe bisa nipa 7 out of 10 bia no ebisa omofo bibi ansa na ya attend to omo na nsem bi say no enye so obi ba with office na obabe you have some service to render them. There's no need to take some money from them. Middleman issues in your money man nini na no enye. Sustainability must become a way of life Blue Wet. Okay, when so name Sembia, Mr. Blue Wet, and so a day atudra the 4th page of a news center. ECG's fragile gains, cut losses in 2025, deeper deficits among 34.7 billion power cost and 22.1 billion revenue. Mr. Omar, I happened to watch a PAC, Public Accounts Committee. I think they were doing some accountability with ECG. Now, from whatever was going on, Utimun say ECG, they are almost budget, almost presented to Parliament. Say, Sika say na almost de babedi almost juma almost ejumedienu. They spent more than that.
They spent more than that. That shows the painful to more control on the control. Because if they spend more than that, will be a woman or a quarter to spend. Into the more than that, we can further miscount him to more spend. And also now to my approval more. Until Naya, I would be a person now. Our balance is said to Maba. Now, if you should coach, I got to me, it's me the magic or tomorrow. Until paying for now, the Bia was I know from no can do. I call in Bay in Canabra now with the GIGF, that's Internet Generating Fund. I taxing because continue being trade. We will come home to Ayabra. Nempi fracas final no resident or the baby Wabra.
Now we can I raise a lot of conversations. And same one Omondibesu just said they are increasing tariffs. Is it the right way?
Hey, no, him
okay, poor pay is eroding media independence. Okay. ABDULLAH, okay, or a journalist, okay, or also the article will be ABDULLAH article no HM say media personalities most of the time omu sikasem and shada nkoyi amwake tuano enye adia esoeni, and because of that most of the media facilities are not able to operate independently because some way somehow it be a political party be is funding them to be able to operate and all of that. There's no independence and media no so yenim say a watchdog for Ghana whatever goes on. It is a particular party, a particular media facility or media station is affiliated to some entity and as a political person okay, into when in the news center.
Daily gist na akasaka sono na yetume na share two TikTokers I want to take off for na one na name no which is in the court etumina in court over presidential 150 million on slip with security corps. Send me to work canon nature on to no work. Some ama mewa to maji papa or ye cartel or chona kasakasi. Osi no tete for mama. Mosquito blasts NDC agenda pushes. Ha, chairman new abir. New abiro. The general one. Abira wa pasida oye na Sodama. Ha. What's the ahuna NDC for why on adwende. The third term agenda pushing a wutumu. Ubwa ya baba kra. Nti papa ntontona. The name be same to no the aba. The omamazina fi wutumu no onhwe ni yi. Onam ko do pon kroma charges new IMF deal for the etumna aba abude gwanonti omamazina fi osi some bi o ha na chere on kweyim kra. Nti omamazina wonto ho anamba. Nti krata no the aba abude gwa akasa no kota krata na wosa wutumna aka. The feeling
okay, my the Daily Searchlight and Twaso. UGMC West Hospital in Ghana, Michael Blackson's lamentations on how his family spent 250,000 on his mother who died. University of Ghana Medical Center, media personality, celebrity, Michael Blackson, or American-based Ghanaian. Now, over the years, he's playing a lot of important roles in Ghana. Wabesisi schools near there, Ghana. Until Ghana, how would say, Abuchi Memundan. So, Danny, upon the home modern say, or the development, or be pushing for development for Ghana, any baby, Kura or free moon, Ghana. Nana, same na. Ne mame yare ye na or the ne mame ekoto UGMC na o chemwa UGMC uhunu shepe kwa urema enyama bebre na ekoso no entwa ye ogidi se doctors na nkrofo na omo ye adwuma wo honom no enye enipa enkwa eho enehia om na nso eye sika omo beje sika omo benya efri wo ho o chemwa they are very expensive. Sika omoje for treatment very expensive na ne mame nso no oyare ye no kwada ho no they give her wrong diagnosis na say na omo nhwe say omo be make sure say mame no ho ato no na nso say time eso say e we say omo betua sika bia na hospital no afre no dinika it is out of their carelessness inti ne maame no efri mu ya inti ono so the same way ni na abesudwa we say UGMC omo management no ehwe ho na omo tutu bibia ye clear and present danger up north over next Dagre Dam spillage. Okay, water supply to be disrupted in Greater Accra. Eastern Overpong pipeline repairs. Ghana Water Limited. Okay, inti Ghana Water Limited. Also, the abesu just say there Greater Region, Eastern, any Pong. There's going to be a couple of disruptions. Eba Munsio in Sem Enhua inti and also Momboa for that moment. 4 dead after dynamic explosion and Abuso in Prestia Huni Valley Municipality. Okay, Numo Kofi Okasa Diaka II graduates in criminal prosecution and litigation. And he went in some a year the Daily Searchlight and ne anope.
The Supreme Court and so the Ababig and Mebunus and Seminar no your parents so good tomorrow or see Christian Council unite against drug abuse, cybercrime, and the Sound Youth Sound Nation program budget. Sustainability to me here papa into sustain abuse and youth unemployment. The means me na watu na oda to ga abra nkitomozi otum no okrodo. CFCA Foundation donate 400,000 medical equipment to help oye Nobel syndrome no ozama oye kofodia aban hospital motum na wa boa. Adamus lawyer Achro Akama oye the New Republic editor there would demand a front page retraction and apology or face court action. Nti asema wala gakayeno no wala kwa hwehwe na fi etumna juwano ana wiyano nti asema de ahon abieni wonyim nti onko na onkaka ma asomdembra. Honorable Zanato Royce pushes for a strong Pan-African Parliament power. Ti a sem there. Obama zene if you want to mundian to kwanan wo Africa Parliament wo tumo kanu no. Odo tumo na wojira hono na ado ankasa no wo tumo no aboa. Ghana Gas EU commended for record growth and strong leadership. Nti akotokrata na da mensemi na wo.
Okay, Minister, the Source newspaper and SWASO CRC chairman criticized government's stance on reports. Okay, let Parliament scrutinize new IMF deal. The ranking member on Parliament's Economy and Development Committee and member of Parliament for Ofuasi Aibi Kojopon Nkrumah has called on Mahama administration to subject the new International Monetary Fund policy coordination instruments to full parliamentary scrutiny. Okay, when so in Sambia, Ekoso, Ewo, Obra, Kojo Opon Nkrumah. Okay, or the Sambia Besuja or Bo idea or bo the current government she say IMF deal policy na abeso dwane was say omo hwe no mo scrutiny, a lot of scrutiny. Yes, bribe demands by public officers up from 14% to 18%. Okay, so medical edemunsem abadeda. Complete Accra Kumasi road to avert accidents, minority to government. Okay, nti we ni nsem so the Source newspaper obomoden na on sakebia nsem ewo nyina no you would have full access to it.
The Chronicle kata no sabe the Friends of River wa to kokobo amaban no mama zenefi ontum na ombo oye hinso ho ban na watum aboa oye onua oda oye mbebuna no opare ansa ne samsam na house etime bupo ha the mass minority which ensem na ban mama zenefi ontum na amacheche nsem ontum franchise sen sama otum na wezin kana baba kan wa IMF samsam hon nyaza otum ditum kra nto mama zenombra oye mehye gbogofie na amacheche nsem nche ani sama oye the fina din kana otum ditugo yenkoye ne.
Okay, Yanfa the informer and so OSP resumes full anti-corruption drive after landmark SC ruling, Dr. Sledge and all in focus. Okay, GTEC chases Phil Gabra over doctor title. Okay, nti GTEC omujidi say adia uras Phil Gabra and what say what they doctor and title no eto so. Okay, CRC chair warns politicians against politicizing constitutional reforms. Okay, Afenyo Makin chastises Mahama government, says Ghana not in safe hands. Ura Afenyo Makin ojidi say inyeme nkoye Ghana sene anyeme no onjindi say NDC umbetimi ama ye niema akoso pepepe. Okay, Baumia can win 2028 on merit, MPP declares. Mahama declares economic emancipation battle for Africa. Okay. Mamenfa the daily banner so Adam lawyers write to the New Republic demands front page retraction. Adam lawyers write to the New Republic demands front page retraction. Apology. Okay, Adamu lawyers let me say the New Republic and so atro in Sembia omujidi say in try internasa no dia omo de abesu dwa say e was say omo bepa omo actual for in sem na omo de abesu dwa no complete Accra Kumasi highway minority. Okay, yaka emu sem dada. Okay, nti we ni sem bi so the daily banner newspaper no emu.
Okay, tell you what I'm saying, but until share one the News Trust. I know na moso message na akaha and Northeast MPP decide until I also want na we aye one paying for abada aye amayoku na no the marathon senior high school admission items Kofi Ades Foundation seek support abotuno aboam oye needy and orphan student no waba mazina if you tumina wa aboa ntino so ya na from ze etumina aboam bia so etumina akwaye so ntuma ntomfo usikoka na okọ nti awon so ho nsama otumina wo kan yen dama so mbe so bego fie tuma church nsem de aya 5 years presidential aya term so and also uguda wotumina wokaka aya in some afro home nti aya sofa our ahafu and north south West MP no so I point out when sending home nti kotakrata na unsa botum aka public officer demand bribe from nearly 7 in 10 Ghanaians in last 2025 DSS report yo yati wose oje ayakata sise nti bayin podu echenum 7 anenum esuan no buhunde damendamana utumu oyado hopa delfina.
Okay, and share the daily update. GPRTU suspends planned transport fare increase after 2 cedis diesel reductions jumeku GPRTU idea nanka omoba beto transport fares no emu, but following the directive of ye mampeni Mahama say yente 2 cedis every letter bia so no idea sa increments no enya ambasubiem. Mother of 2 jailed for life after High Court convicts her of murdering husband. Okay. Mami bi nso na say we kunu intinesa no court no ajeli no for life okodem for life ompie biem che say obepie na bia na
okay this is we are that sir
and I say ono an bia obefrim bibi nti obefrim ewo efiase constituency executives promised branches school feeding and quarterly visits but failed to deliver. NDC branch organizer Wasa Kumisa. Okay, nti wenne nsembin so NDC branch organizer Eddie Suja say there constituency executives be share boss say there from time to time no on be making sure so on be feed schools now OMAR provide very essential items at their mom, but executives see OMAR failing in making that happen. Okay, Sedi Natamaklo still in prison despite acquittal. Kwache Fosu. Okay, Kwache Fosu and so Eddie Abetuja say ma Sedi Natamaklo, although say courts no declare no not guilty of all the charges pressed against her no there she's still in prison. 4 killed, several injured in Abuso explosion. Okay, explosion being so akoso ewo Abuso na inipa 4 and won ashre won kwana bebre na so dia omo prepare ye pa. Okay. Yeah, papers no. I say. Mr. Omar.
It's a hard night. I encountered person na. Instead to make no, it's over ABDULLAH. But once papa, the Obama's in the future no was in nature. We are so to Mokodo. Nti aka nkomobo nkomobo kakra ibutumi ebobo na efi wo so atumi na ata henechi pinti na ansa no ebekwa akadan hu aboafo nkato ya asane abe abashen nkomobo so sempen fa abakansa yiwo abo nkomo no ya mama zene nte nka bo area nhyene so nka na etina oya TV hu a GBC fosi mpenfo a ho aso go hene do wonte nka bo no nhyene so enti mpenfo a wo hwe he na bia atuma hwe hene bia no ya mama zene fe yentumi yente oya nka bo efi oya Costa TV mpenfo di oya nzama egwa akono do de kono biara de no oda woma entiti otumo kodo doma onadwen aboa de umiye entiti efi oya kasanfanyine hun anande akasanoma hun oya radio anade TV mama zena nshane so de iti oya de ponopor esia na yitum ne de so ezi da mentiti de mama don biara wodope da wodi wontambo oya Costa TV multimedia production present another jumeza obutumna wotumna weti ntete sonko no o chensema obatitso sonko ma ehukwana abafada wa ababo oya nsamna no oya news gathering etumna akwanyim baba ro zaso watuma tetso akwana pa abafada oya kase abonu nsamsam no igina de bia wo se report etumna ejema de jumezi bi rekodo wa ha abato hyehyɛ na egbonu dawo ni hina oya news reporting obutumu akyerɛw the masuna akasanoma na yi oya akasanfanyine kwana obutumu afada etum na atenado na akasa mecha radio no ye TV presentation no so bobo mazam the mentete etum na amam akwana pa abafada etum eso oya camera num camera bi ha we yifi oya no box wo dupo ya araba da play na obutu nti akwana biara do obafawo na efi wotum do da mentete ne bi etum na ama akwana bafada wotum no wosem akwana abafada etum na azi oya videos akoro na ye audios domi bi hononze no domi bi oya honon fanyin akoro etum na ni hina no adan da na nyi etiten ya hyehye ne ye video and audio auditing ne hinara obo moze na fi otumo de entertain etum amon akona abafoda a show kasebo news rating no so the entertain no butu no damo voice training no so butu no damo akona wonze butum na atrede ebutum na akasa wo kese fayre do another akasa no modo metre radio another tv no den obutu na wa kyerem obutu na wa sana akyerɛ kwana pa abafoda abane de se bi aba dodo friend or resource person no ato nsa friend ebobo mazina fi tum na ayemi interview na ayem pensem sabi otum ojere na do se ne bi wo ha yensam troyi yere kan ayem mu so sam no na o kan aya akwan do sam nti kwana pa butum afada wotum wo do na metete etum na ama no so otum no wa akyerɛ and that barefoot nyansa ba kwemfira ho pinyere etum aba oye digital journalism ikete wo phone etum na research ikete wo phone ejijuma ni na wo bo ma na fi otum na wa akyerɛ the man so ne yeban oye nsam tredwuma na wo si media ethics nzama na yehyehyɛ wo dijijuma no obo ma na fi otum na wa akyerɛ akwana pa abati oye nsam tredwuma no mbra a wotum dijijuma no so butum na wa akyerɛ oye media law nti na mezama ni nyina na wa ka bom the pol esia anya guzo nti ya oba mazoro ama aya abozikata certificate wo say butum na aka nti na mezama ni nyina na ye ka bom na de na mentitin etum na ama nti bo mazaba fa kata wo aya Coastal TV fie ha oben oya Morocco Park nti ibise biara de Coastal TV bia wo wa obia ba kyerɛw eboto so afran wa matrofodo na yetum na ya kyerɛw kwan na baba fa okrata amambia no so na kyerɛ dwumedin otum no orisha sin nti tetefona ma botum na afrɛ ye oya 0246 731 371 0246 731 371 nti dem aye bi mo kan no wo ya zero what other hwe ebien anan esia eson ebasa eson ekwer nti dem aye ahme ipusua pefo yo bo twonkomo na abaje wo krata seno nso so de bo mazna when there awu yiza otum no obizikan mentite unse tumaka nti aba na aba bi bakache de o student o ana de o past student ahụ otum dị ka ọtụtụ first no na show the private radio station na ya kope wa Cape Coast ha and yes FM na abia wo ye ntete o di kan first ahụ o di kan ko ye mfaso pa nti bo maza wo so ba ka o Coastal TV edwumaku ye ho na wo fa da ntete no ntum fa ma na ebi ye mfaso pi me etum na aboa abia atwi o ye won krata na ebuhu na abozin krata for Coastal TV multimedia no so otum no akahu te bo madan hye no so to mi kabra na atizini ni hu a wa da menam na me hye bia we hu obi bi ni hu otum aja ma sende na asama na de bia ohun wo oye no phone do then the we hu wo oye kwanda ni we otum na agi nti da men sam ne achaba atibia atinkan kasa sure no na tell you ready mama abom get bi so ayo atena ha aba ho kyerɛ bi nso mama bozo na da akwa nzima na efi wotum na waye na nzima amba na metena ha enka 7 nti aba bo no nzima language ni na akakula wo kan nzima no ebie awotwa nti ni na no emobo achina there na nzima na baba nti aha na ezo nkra 10% pese bisi eda ye wo ya ba ye baza aka chi bia ye ma wo yi won kwezi
Attention, body left, march, down. Body left, forward, more. Kalewawa, Matule Kalewawa, Sochi Mega Kalewawa, Otamosa Kalewawa, Goleche. Kalewawa, Matule Kalewawa, Sochi Mega Kalewawa, Otamasa Kalewawa, Goleche. Order! Listen, are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Achia Kosia, Sayati Kofi Junior, Ayasa Bolo, Atma Infiezongo, Charles Babina Papa, Atia Fratongo, Esi Moko Ghana, Kodo Galamse, Ofisa Langa, Kodashi Langa, Ayele, Esi Kalabule. Order! Even a house in even a tits in a banyu one, a banyu, I mean, no, no way I was saying, Yama. Joe, no one fighting, no more violence, no more starvation, no more wound anymore. Oh, we ask for peace, Liberia, Somalia, Burundi, Togoland, Angola. Too many people are suffering. Oh, in my motherland. Oh, if everything is alright, let's sing this song now. La 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 la. Oh la 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 la. Ole ole. Salam alaikum. Ilala ole. Matonya dwa akatuma disnemi nyebyo ya soja maram sikane mafato Samina, abele, kumasi bantama abele o. Mami ma yaudene, papa ma yauden, mami ma yauden, soja rikwe, Erika bongo. Obronye, Erika bongo. Attention! Dismiss! Order!
Yeah, I get serious message you. Where I catch a girl for club. Girl in answer. Nice girl. My heart jump like a cat over a wall. For this girl, I go die, oh. That is below, oh. Sugar. Honey. 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 be power. Autonosie. Okuna mutafi. Sofio. Unini sunsun. Heidi mechio. Unini sio. Haminu. Unini mediami. Hamidio. When you badabadaba. Nekon for ife wa. Yes, you're dirty. How much you run, watch me. I feeling down, watch me. Oh, one more do. Hey, one more do. We get the contour. Yes, I'm way. Yes, I'm way. Unini Cinderella. Cinderella. Unini Cinderella. Cinderella. Oh, you should know me, you owe it. Cinderella. Nim Sadaku Abako, me too. Cinderella. When the girl tell me, say, and she too love me, oh, yeah.
I love you too, baby. I love you all. I love you too, baby. I love you all. I go born beautiful picking for you all. I go born beautiful picking with you all. So don't worry, baby.
Don't worry, oh.
My day for you, sweetie.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone e wo apomoden sem so fango nso e ho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
So I akwa bebiem te to sefre oye input hima of oya abra oya nana abene enyimba otode ebien na so dwumezin bisibre insentum nkan na omama kan se oye fie ha nti endeda ekosa tv in twana mo p woya no donation ahowo to mo ye no oya abra community e kabra our Cape Coast North, the capital of Cape Coast North oya abra ikijumezin woya Saint Lawrence Catholic Church. Aho na no donation otun safra school fu p mabaka nsa na efio ahye twetwe nkomo obo na bado achachira fu nyina atum kan nti bisibiri ya mabaka nsai waachem de ogudo reba na so mabaka nsai jumezi na otum akodo ne da akawan kasa nti ahwe okese mfanyene da aya abra bia Catholic asorefie tumwo ane na itum na erhwen abra oya Black Road ni nyina na otum no ode dem no in the green area of the church no so otum no owo kesemfanye no do no nti omama ken say iguda ye na atwenanyim obakansa ba mazina fie tum na eyin ab shankomoyitwena ase na omama ken say ye kwa akohwe dwumezi akoro wan da otum no okodo wa ya abrahina na ezama oye etifa ahwefa ene da wonye chafa entum na ambo obakansa so a eyin bodwetwe nkomo afa da medmeje o tigite iza efibe ho sha se ye enyim na nkomo ba otum no abado
no ma ba betina nti enche ye di dwumadie no ebe hyehye so fefefe ane nti omo na ato santene ewo epunu nanim ho na omo eba no pacho ye nyina ye nsori ngina ye nan so oti ho nko na otimi sori nko ampacho sori gina onan so abra ye ma ye nananom akwaba pacho obi ansori ngina ne nan so ane ni die kwan so ti sansen fefefe na ato ewo ho no eye ye nana eye mpuntu hima nana abena enyimba otoso mienu na abra oba hima nana ekoa okuta a otoso miensa na ato santen a omoba fefefe no nananom yemamu akwaba pa yemamu akwaba nanum ye mama kwa babiem mo ho ayɛ fɛ dodo ɛdɛ mase paa sɛ maba bɛka yɛn nsa wɔ fie a Pasha, what's one? No, sorry, Annie. I feel be a bit me at Nancy. Yemobibia Akwaba Shroko about a year Royal Community Development and Donation Ceremony. A year Royal Highness Cecilia Nadenswa Kwashi a year Abra Impuntu Hima Nana Abena Enimba our Toso Mienu. Ede ahyehyɛ so a yɛba bɛhyɛ ase ɛnkyɛ kraa nti bɔmmɔden sɛ baby a wohwɛ yɛ bia ɛwɔ Coastal TV digital channel 514 anaso sɛ wohwɛ yɛ ɛwɔ Facebook ɛne YouTube no yɛ streaming live ɛwɔ hɔ nti menyi wɔ fidie no ɛmfiri ha de biara da yɛhyɛ dwumadie no ase a no nti no medane akasamu no ama ɛyɛ OMAR bin ABDULLAH na efei baby a ɔbɛkyɛ sɛ yɛnyɛ no ɛno a ɛna yɛbɛyɛ.
If you basian medasi, you bash you made in sign, say a boko hino sofi ho, na wa bompa, na abwa yen chara happy, say bafre or your colleague, sofo, na Reverend Father Isaac, and an Jen, no abompa may, na yashid medinasi.
Sorry. Ejan no your ban no yesun sum kronkron izinemo. Yadawa sinyamitumfo ende de so aze yan nkwa chen. Yadawa so dwumedi sonkun a. Erebe hye ho anyiminyam ewo men. Yeton sa frɛ kwan sonkodo. Bezen hen wo dwumedi do. Badan dan dwumedi na bibiara nwie peye. Eso de ma onfiu bia oba hawa adwen ma onfiu bia madwumedi inwie peyede wara pegu mahen na nyame ma wenyi menyama awden do deedi wodwumedi hwan ombrem na yen showzen konkrono enyi menyam ebi sei na wodoba Jesus Christ nezenemo onyo ejan no nyo ban onyesu konkrono nezenemo
Entrance. Emma Sema or Henosofi. Event Amaza Nano, Jumezinara na Yoguduno, Sebeyedri Yaza Otodo Ebasa. Zaye kind or here, day, each recent procura. You are since you were hind there. Damazin came aboard the Tidash crown, him put him Nana Abna Yimba Otodo Ebin. Oya necessary infida the majumezi about the amazing camakano. You call schools afro oya and then inti sender a fee aqua pro asanaba no abakansa war in community. Or chere there aba mazinefi or tumna or sanaba no bayan kedum not in safre oya school far on hujuma. And in sende yabe bohe. Za idabo about the idabesha home crying. Yen na here you ano na yetumna ya hyehyɛ nti obiara wode ma ha ɔyɛ awurade ne pɛ a ne nsa bɛka bi ne nsa aka abɔdzen krata ɔyɛ certificate no so etumna aka ho nti ha ya be za ɔhɔ yi na ma za ɔtɔ de biem yɛ mpanyinfa wa baba kan sɛ wɔ ha yetumi de na zi yetumna de kyerɛ ɔyɛ dɔm wɔ hyɛm wɔ ha ɔse kan no yɛn sɔfe ɔyɛ colleagues of Reverend Father Isaac and Jen Obabampa Yambo Seman da Waba Abakansa. No Babamajmezi etumeri pay. Even the ma Nano Moframe in Sembono Obi here, you were Oya Urayer Haruna. Oray Hamida Haruna Pia. Oya Abra Amedia School B. Or Chatray Pain in Oha. Arba Yenakwateba. Oye ne deputy, oye an assistant, or near pay oye Albert. Neso or her emo kwaba. Yeah, I Abraham Media School B. I church for Wotum Bay. You call St. Mary's Anglican Basic School, sir. You are Madame Sophia. Aha. Mr. Hansen. Hans, yeah. Mr. Hansen from our A4. Aha. Mr. Hansen in Moakwaba. Da Baba Cancer. Aha. You call college school B. No such a our Madame Mary. Aha. Right. Madam, what's the way home to my home? Aha, right. That's it. Aha. And I want to be the mouse on your Costa TV. It may far good damage me can yes on wire YouTube and Facebook Live. If you man paying far, we are Casafa. Mobile Zinibi, if you so, Mataka Nanu ran for tomorrow. I'm a woman our boy, hina was isn't it ha of Tenura. Aha, na intempe for catch a chobi and it's be an which I would to know. It's a other canon. You are him put to him Nana Abena Imba the second. Aha, Nana Imo Akwaba. Neze ni yani hiya nkaya waka no eze mama ho na fi otum no wa abo na wa cheche metum a chai ntam so won ka fanti anu brofa na obaka na wi wa akọ Yoruba kasa Nigeria kasa na ati na fi etum na ya akọ hedeyim ewi aye wo oya yene ba hima na ekua okuta the third aha na emo akwaba. Yana point to him is in a full second is we're supposed to mention all. Say Edoko na paying for Tumina Banayati. Na Kafa to work and so Tumina the Hose Tumina Chenti, Yamwa Samon.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Honorable Sterling Olubumi. Thank you.
Good afternoon.